Hey everyone, if your audio is crackling or popping on your Windows 11 computer, here's how to fix it. First, search for Device Manager and open it. Once you're in Device Manager, double-click on Audio Inputs and Outputs to expand the list. Now, find your audio driver. It might be called Realtek, or High Definition Audio Device. Ignore the microphone drivers. We're focused on the audio one. Right-click your audio driver and select Update Driver. Next, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. From the list, select the top option, then click Next and let it install. After it's done, check if the crackling or popping sound is gone. If you're still facing the problem, let's try another method. Search for mmsys.cpl and open it. In the window, locate your audio speaker device, select it, and click on Properties. Now go to the Advanced tab. Here you'll see different audio formats. Try selecting different formats and click Test to see which one works best for you. Once you find the format that stops the crackling, click Apply and then OK. If that still doesn't solve the issue, let's try one more fix. Search for Edit Power Plan and open it. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In the Settings window, expand Processor Power Management. Make sure both the minimum processor state and the maximum processor state are set to 100%. Click Apply, then OK, and try playing your audio again to see if it's fixed. That's it. Hopefully, one of these methods resolved your audio issue. If this helps, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.